is TWEE for me. I'm Dennis O'Brien, TV producer and director, and I'm here today. I'm excited. I'm fired up. We had a big winner last night, won 100 TWEE. Several other winners won 20, 40, 50 TWEE. TWEE is out there. TWEE is the new up-and-coming thing. You're here. You're tuned in. You're talking about it. I'm going to ask you to take a look at something that costs a couple bucks per TWEE. And I'm going to say to you, I'm not trying to get you to cash in your 401k. I'm saying just put your poker money on this. Put a couple of bucks on the side and give it a try, because it's not just any old cryptocurrency. I'm Dennis O'Brien once again. I'm here. You're wondering what's TWEE, what's TWEEBA, what's blockchain, what the heck? We got a lot to talk about. But before we get started, a lot of people say, well, I'm not dealing with encrypted technology. I'm dealing with cash, and I only work for money and blah, blah, blah. You're already dealing with blockchain because that's decentralized storage of digital information, okay? So in some respects, all of our currency is crypto. Well, no, it isn't, Dennis. Yes, it is. Look at your paycheck. Paycheck. You get paid, money rolls over digitally, but on the way to you, it drops off a few little packages. It drops off a package to your federal tax, state tax, local tax, Social Security, 401k. Unbelievable, right? It all ends up there, and then the final amount is left on your encrypted digital line, turns into a debit card. The debit card is used to pay for food, utilities, mortgage, bills, entertainment, all paid through the card, which is encrypted technology. You're already dealing with financial ledgers that are encrypted and transferring money the same way as Bitcoin. What about stocks and bonds? Same difference. Stocks and bonds. You don't get a bumper from Ford when you buy a Ford stock. You don't get a can of soup from Campbell's when you buy a Campbell's soup stock. You get a digital entry. If you keep it and sell it, it's a digital entry if you make a profit. If you get a dividend, it's a digital entry, okay? Everything we're doing here is digital entry, digital entry, digital entry. So you're in crypto land, Venmo, PayPal, Alipay, Apple Pay. We're here. You arrived. So before you poo-poo crypto and everything I'm about to say, I just thought I'd get that on the table, And I'll also say this, your frequent flyer miles, crypto. It's just encrypted data that you have to cash in a certain way, okay? It's unbelievable. We're here, we're in this encrypted time, we're transferring money digitally, we're excited about where we're going, but we're confused, right? So what the heck's going on? First thing I got to do, however, is do a disclaimer. Because it's financial information and I am not a broker, I have to tell you this stuff. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not a coach. I'm not licensed to trade in any stocks or bonds. I'm not telling you what to do. I'm just giving you information based on the experiences in my life, and they do not endorse any actions you may or may not take, nor does my network, Verity Group Films. Cryptocurrency, my friends, securities, stocks, bonds, real estate, all investments carry a level of risk, and all risks should be assessed with your personal family advisors, attorneys, and other people that you trust, because that's the... This is one of my favorite stories. Two guys, one guy puts $1 in Bitcoin and one guy puts $1 in gold. The year's 2009. So you see the years go by and they both change in value. And at the end of 11 years, 2020, that $1 in Bitcoin is worth $10.17 million. And the dollar the guy put in gold, it's worth $1.66, folks. That's like a couple of lollipops. Make no mistake, there's a lot of cryptocurrencies out there. Seems like there's a new one every single day. But what we are here to talk about today is not just crypto, TWEE. We're here to talk about TWEEBA. See, TWEEBA is the new social media platform that will revolutionize social media, and it's going to change the way things are done, and it's going to be fun too. And this is why TWEE is worth money, okay? Will you or would you use a new social media platform because it's actually going to benefit you in some positive way? I mean, in your pocketbook? Are you ready to learn more? Well, good, because it's disclaimer time. Because I am not a broker. I am not an investor, a financial advisor of any kind. I'm not capable, nor am I trying to tell you what to do with your money, your securities, or your future. I'm only informing you so that you can evaluate these things based on, I'm framed it all in the experiences of my life. You know, I'm giving you information based on my experiences. That's it. I'm not trying to endorse what you're doing, nor do I or my company endorse anything about what you're doing. Cryptocurrency, stocks, securities, real estate, all investments require that you talk to your family advisors, your attorneys, and people that you trust, because that's who you're supposed to talk to during times like that, okay? Now that we got that out of the way, TWEE and TWEEBA and blockchain and oh my, oh me. Are you starting to be a little nervous? Well, don't be. We're telling you about TWEE and TWEEBA because that's what we are here. What is TWEE? What is TWEEBA? What is blockchain? Help me, help me. Those of you that are experienced crypto traders, please go to the CoinBenny link. I'm going to get to it at the back of the show, but if you want to just go buy TWEE, CoinBenny, or Bitmart are the two places to buy it. We've got a CoinBenny link up there. I'm going to go through everything today for everyone else, and I'm going to break it down. I'm not a crypto scientist. I'm not an expert. I will not show you Fibonacci trends on the charts. Other people can do that better than I. All I'm doing is telling you what I think that I'm looking at as I'm seeing the landscape, the personal finance landscape, the production, money landscape, the way things are coming around, and also personal value and freedom. Companies that are involved in personal value and freedom are becoming important to people. Now, don't you want to know a little bit more about TWEEBA then? Look, blockchain is just incredible. It's absolutely changing the world. It's changing medical and real estate and, of course, money. Take a look at this clip. This might help.
What is cryptocurrency? A digital currency in which encryption techniques are used to regulate the generation of units of currency and verify the transfer of funds operating independently of a central bank. Blockchain. What is blockchain? The authentication and encryption coding gives us the name crypto. Simply put, it's a super secret password technology. The blockchain works like this. Imagine your gold is kept in a lockbox and only you have the key. Only you. Now imagine your gold is lines of computer code. And imagine the keys are also lines of computer code. These digital keys lock up your code and secure it. Each transaction of exchanging digital information is recorded in a block of information and is posted publicly forever. The information is updated and stored on thousands of decentralized servers worldwide. So you see, the blockchain never lies and the blockchain is always public.
All right, well, you do get the picture probably a little more clear. Well, I think it's like any other new thing. You got to start gathering up the data, start learning about it, right? That was kind of like an overview. There's always going to be new things coming along. Crypto's here to stay, folks. And do you know why I'm absolutely certain? Because Merrill Lynch, JP Morgan, Citibank, they're all got crypto departments and vice presidents. KPMG just debuted a new management suite to help people deal with those kind of currencies inside their portfolios. Microsoft just deployed a security token. It's just for blockchain. Banks have developed special currencies just for bank transfers. There's blockchain courses at the university at the master's level. It's the #1 job in America in 2020, according to LinkedIn, blockchain development. So you know what we're looking at is a whole new frontier of blockchain, crypto, and everything. So for me as a producer, I'm telling you it's way bigger than just digital money. But the purpose of our show, this show, is TWEE is for me, is to inform you and to educate you a little bit more about crypto and a little bit more about what we're doing. Because being aware and alert and identifying new trends is logical. So you should know about the benefits of blockchain. So we made a show about how TWEEBA is leveraging the benefits of blockchain. But let's take a look at how I came into contact with crypto for the very first time. The year, 2011. I was in Papua New Guinea. Steve Rockefeller and I were working, making a movie for a big lumber company in Malaysia called Rimbanan Hijau. And people on the crew, a couple of them said, hey, can we get paid in crypto? Can we get paid in Bitcoin? And we're like, what are you talking about? And then later in Mexico, just about a year later, same rough time frame, we began to find out people were asking for and getting crypto instead of pesos down there in different countries and so on. So it started to catch my eye. And today when I talk to people in Hollywood that make and pay for movies and films and music shows, a lot of these wealthy people that coordinate and hire crews and send them out, they're sending them out with crypto because they can safely send them out without them being robbed in some strange place, part of the world they don't understand. You see, in the old days, we just fill our pockets with money and pray. When I was in Mexico shooting the music video, I had $20K in cash some days, and I had to pay the crew at the end of every day. Now, I just pull out a phone, and the guys on the crew, we figure out what the rate is. I pay them in whatever currency they want, and they can do their ledger line thing inside their own app, just like you did with your paycheck. Look, we're here. We're digital. It's great. It's easy. So take a deep breath and try to figure out how you can be part of it on some level. Okay? It's a lot of information. How does it affect me? What about TWEE? Yes, TWEE is a crypto. But TWEE is not just any crypto, folks. TWEE is part of this much larger movement that empowers the individual. TWEEBA. TWEE's not just any cryptocurrency, folks. It's part of a much larger movement that empowers the individual. TWEE, my friends, is the story. It's an evolving story. Guys, this is like Facebook in 06, 07. Roll the clip. This is TWEE. Look, TWEE is the first social platform based on the multi-dimensional value system. What does that mean, Dennis? Well, with TWEE, everyone can create their own product space, interact, share, evaluate, and sell with users all over the world. And you can create huge wealth for yourself by leveraging your own personal value. You see, TWEE simply allows you to be you. You don't have to be something different or do something different or do an internet job to make money. You just excel in the areas that you're good at. You learn how to market yourself better, monetize yourself better. TWEE breaks the traditional one-dimensional system where money is the only value. It creates this earning ecosystem with multi-dimensional values, empowering everyone to translate their hobbies, their life experiences, their skills, attentions, collections, innovation, vision. You can make digital products, you can make recipes, you could have recommendations, you could evaluate, you could have writing classes. Ordinary people can gain more wealth with dignity and be happy too. Worldwide attention from your personal value products combined with the power of TWEE, it's going to bring unexpected value and make millions of people millions of dollars. I think this is going to be very simple and very popular. I do. Millions of people. See, TWEE also pioneered the most attractive member incentive measures. Think frequent flyer miles. So the TIV system, TWEE Influence Value, is posted on your own Tycoon place. It's a computerized system of influence value, which makes all online behaviors inside the app, like inviting friends, logging in, browsing, sharing, commenting, and recommending products. All those things are quantified and rewarded. Look, TWEE is soon going to become the leader of this new blockchain business application of earning commerce, okay? And you get paid for using the app. I don't know if I've said it. You get paid for using the app. Well, let's talk about social media. Socials, right? We all use these things every single day. We text, we call, we email, we use social media to make reservations and vacations, to share, communicate for work and play. But who profits from all this? You got it. The Silicon Valley gang. You know, it's like a toll road. The big players in tech, they're home. They're big homes. And you're paying them. You're paying them. You talk to your friends, your family, your customers, you give them your pictures, you give them all your comments, you're paying the toll, you give them all your content, they leverage your eyeballs. So what do they do with that eyeball traffic? They shoot it right back at you. They sell it to advertisers, and what do those advertisers do? They know what you drink, what you say, what you do, where you've been. They know what you think. They know what you think. Imagine it was the other way around. Imagine you got paid when you made a post or a text or a call, or an update, or you just like somebody else's update. TWEE offers you ways to build value on many levels, just like the tech guys do, and then you could be a tycoon. You know what I mean? You can actually have the power. So just using TWEE builds your value, and then if you actually use it and sell things, well, you can build even more value. Look, we all dream of an ideal world where individuals can match their passions, their interests, their dreams, their hobbies with economic reward, thereby chasing their rainbow and living happily ever after. For generations, thousands of years, realities of life have meant that except for a very, very small portion of people, this has by and large been unachievable. The world has been seeking a solution for this, and my friends, I think TWEE is the solution. The ecosystem is a great way to show it off. It's kind of like a motor. I like the diagram because it does show you how powerful TWEE is. Each tycoon has a tycoon place where they can post all their stuff on the TWEE platform for free. You can post like a normal post like this, and you can do a blog, an e-commerce site, a gallery, a business profile page, a chatting site, group chats, whatever you want to do. In a tycoon place, the tycoon's hobbies, passions, skills, and talents are then leveraged and marketed into products if they so choose. They can share those products with their own network of contacts, but they can also go to all the other tycoons in the TWEE earning ecosystem, making it possible for a tycoon to reach out to a potentially huge number of other tycoons worldwide. The TWEE earning platform is not only a business platform, but it also provides a platform for realizing a tycoon's personal value through life experiences, interests, works, experiences, hobbies, collections. It's that cool. And it all works together inside the ecosystem, allowing you to leverage wealth and leverage your customer base. It's unbelievable. A tycoon place is a fully functional value exchange earning network. A tycoon creates products, shares them with users instantly, can manage their followers, fans, create content, generate traffic, analyze traffic, attract consumers. Even with the exponential increase in automation and franchises and opportunities, most companies have yet to allow for the average Joe, the regular guy, you and me, to be able to succeed and thrive in our current economy, except for the lucky few. For thousands of years, the personal leveraging of wealth has been by and large unachievable until now. Enter TWEE. Look, we all know about the social media kings. They're competing for your eyeballs, right? It's a crazy, busy, nasty social media world. It's busy. The stuff is flying at us. We're using everything. They're talking. They're giving us notifications all the time. It's nutty. There's massive, powerful people who dominate this space. We know who they are. Look, billions of people love these products and they use them every single day, and they spend all their time on these things and make and use their money, their time and money allotment on it. And companies all over the world, from individuals and their home-based companies and Fortune 500 companies, are making money on you using social media. And I think some of those trillions of dollars are yours. It's time. It's your turn. TWEE empowers you. And that brings us to the TWEE coin. TWEE is inserting itself as a total disruptive technology, and soon it will become bigger because it empowers the individual. It's just that simple. If you empower the individual, it's going to become bigger. It's not that complicated. Look, not only with the ecosystem, but with the coin. Look, they're minting the TWEE coin. The TWEE coin allows you to invest in the future of TWEE, but you can also participate in the outer ecosystem of investment. People that invest in the TWEE coin can buy and sell them on the open market. As the wider crypto market starts to expand and cryptos get used more, it's really cool that we have a coin, right? The TWEE coin is going to continue to increase in value because TWEE is behind it. It's not just a coin, all right? It debuted in 2019. It's in pre-release status. And for many, this is the time to just reflect, just sit back and reflect on the history of crypto. Let's take a look at the first big player in the game, Bitcoin. Utilizing the blockchain and employing peer-to-peer decentralized network, Bitcoin blazed the trail for many others to follow. After a while to gain acceptance, after it took a while to gain acceptance, blockchain is now regarded as an asset class security and is held by individual institutions, governments, and very wealthy people around the world as an asset. So many cryptocurrencies are entering the market. What do I do? Many with noble missions and many others with nothing much behind them. Look, just like stock investing, one has to look behind the stock, the company. When we look at what the company is bringing to the world, in this case, an empowering solution for all people, and TWEE is that solution, and TWEE is the coin. It's pretty simple to make that connection. And that's the connection I made, and that's why I'm sitting here in front of you today jumping around like a bean. TWEE is integrating blockchain to create a reliable, unalterable, decentralized platform earning ecosystem, the TWEE earning ecosystem, to enable creative and innovative individuals to leverage this to their own benefit, okay? The earning process is no longer limited to the traditional supply chain nonsense. TWEE's belief is the user only needs to make contributions in the places that he or she is good at, what she's interested in or he's interested in, and expand in those areas and realize their value. TWEE empowers individuals and provides them with the tools necessary to monetize their talents, skills, hobbies, and interests, and each individual is able to actively participate and thrive in the earning ecosystem and the greater ecosystem of the world with the TWEE coin. Keep in mind, as the platform keeps profiting and scaling, the TWEE coin's value will profit and scale. Usage will increase on both the TWEE platform and the coin so that they're both become more valuable. You see where this is going? The TWEE and TWEE are interlinked, and TWEE is launching on the world. It's changing the world. As the platform increases in popularity, the demand as well as the value of the coin will increase. This is the time, folks. This is the time for TWEE. Is this too much? Look, investing is a very, very personable thing, but with TWEE's platform emphasizing the value of the individual by creating these tools that it advance and enhance user experience and build value, then many would say that TWEE is a coin, and I said this, makes a darn good sense as an investment. Well, let's look at one of my favorite clips, the central banks printing money. They're printing and printing and printing and printing. You've heard this for almost a generation now, but how long will it go on? You know, a hedge against inflation used to be gold. Is crypto the new gold? Maybe. Is cash a thing of the past? You know, today's younger generations almost don't even know what cash is. In some countries like India and Senegal, They're eliminating real currency in favor of digital currency. The digital yuan is coming in China and the digital dollar is on the way. The trend will continue. There's a lot of cashless options out there. As the world digitizes, so does the money. So it's important to pay attention. You know, TWEE offers a unique opportunity to get in early on something great and to get really involved with this emerging social media format that really is going to change it all. The ability to make a small part of this yours is what I'm saying. I'm not trying to get you to jump in with both feet. All I'm saying is, take a peek, look at it. Download the TWEE app. There's no risk there. This is TWEE, and this is where we're at today. This information is here. It's your choice how you deal with your own future. It's not something I can do for you. What I've done is to create a way for you to improve your life in this video by showing you what TWEE can do to help you and showing you what possibly TWEE can do to help you. Let's drill down in the crypto part because that's what a lot of people came here for. This is the Coin Benny sequence and we'll show you how to do it. While you can locate TWEE currently at Bitmart and Coinbenny, we're very comfortable with Coinbenny. They're a secure trading exchange and they're good friends of ours, and they trade over 100 currencies there. They've rated TWEE as a hot emerging currency. Since TWEE is a new currency, it is only sold on a few worldwide exchanges. So you need to go to Coinbenny and open an account and add TWEE to your portfolio. And when you do that, please come back to TWEE and we'll give you a free gift. You will need USDT Tether to purchase TWEE. But first, log in. You'll set up a login. It's just like any other banking site. It's two-party. So you'll have a password and they'll call you on the phone with a code or whatever. And then when you get in there, like I said, you're going to need some USDT. Kraken and CoinDirect and lots of places sell USDT. So it's not really a problem. But a smaller currency like TWEE that's emerging is sold in what they call pairs. So it has to be paired with something. It's paired with the USDT Tether. Look, $1 in Bitcoin was 10.17 million right now. So focus, focus, focus. After you buy your TWEE, you look at the chart, you do all that stuff, you buy your TWEE, check your account. It used to just take a few minutes. It takes a few minutes now. It used to take overnight, but it just takes just a few minutes. Make sure that the TWEE was transferred correctly and everything's good. Log out. Now you've got TWEE, I don't know if I said it before about the app, but just doubling back because TWEE is a valuable coin because of TWEE. Well, TWEE does help you build your brand and it actually pays you for using it. Building your personal value. If you want to buy USDT Tether, like I said, look at those on the screen. Polynex, Kraken, CoinDirect. I don't have it on the screen. It was awesome. And CoinDirect has like a tool where you can just convert virtually any currency they have to any other currency. It's awesome. So let me stop tell you one more time. I'm not a broker. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not capable of truly telling you what to do with your money, with your time, or anything. I'm just informing you. And I don't control what you purchase with your own securities and funds and interests. I'm merely giving you information based on my experience in my life. And I don't endorse your actions, whatever they are, nor does my network, Verity Group Films, or any of my future assigns. Cryptocurrency, securities, stocks, investments, they all carry a level of risk, and those risks should be assessed with your own personal family advisors, attorneys, and other people that you really trust. So who am I and why am I here? Dennis O'Brien, TV and film producer, lucky enough to have a great career. I've worked with Meryl Streep, Nathan Lane, Corbin Burnson, and Langston Fishburne, and a lot of great people. Most of my life's been shot doing commercials, shooting commercials around the world. Been on many continents, Scope and Crest and Vix and AT&T and lumber companies, airline companies, ADT Security. I'm having a lovely career. What I've learned along the way is more about film is more about people. People that value themselves. People that value themselves are very interesting, whether they're making tacos on the street side in Mexico or painting pictures on the Bund or whatever. People that are proud of themselves, that market their value. Stockbroker, a diamond cutter, a home builder, a babysitter. People that value themselves and their goods and services, and they package themselves in such a way you can feel the value coming out. I think someone once said to me, Dennis, you should sell your cleverness and purchase bewilderment. Well, what they're saying is polish up what you got and market it. So working with professionals in all aspects of creative production, I've learned to appreciate people that appreciate themselves. So if you're watching this and wondering, why am I here? I can tell you that here's an app This founder, Margaret, created an app, and one of the prime tenets of it is to empower people and to give them help to build their personal value, to lift the world up. Look, it's just smart business to use your time well. We're all given the same 24-hour allotment of time every single day, and how you use your time is really the magic of how to have a happy life. And if you want to apply yourself in some haphazard way, not think about what to do with your time, go ahead. Because if you don't know where you're going, any road will get you there. But if you're using an app every day, texting, calling, making lots of chats and doing stuff for work and play, and you're not making anything back, not a zip, all you got is your phone bill, well, maybe you should think about that. Think about how if you had an app that actually paid you back, maybe your time spent on the phone would be a better investment. Investment. Wealthy, successful people are always investing in putting their resources to work for them, whether they're investing in a dinner plan or they're investing in real estate. Trust me, when they find this app that pays them back, they're going to start using it. And if there happens to be a crypto attached to such an incredible app, well, it might be an interesting thing to pick up some of that currency as well. They put their money to work for them. Money has to circulate to work. And the whole power of TWEE is it helps you circulate. Remember, you're never spending or investing. Invest your time wisely. You might just have something at the end of your day to be proud of instead of just being someone that stares at your phone. Download TWEE today. It's the next big thing. Download your TWEE. Along with selling products, you can sell products of others. They have a showroom, marketplace. You can actually choose from the catalog of thousands of other items and bring them into your tycoon place. And you can put your stuff up for consideration. If it gets approved and it's in the showroom, people can sell your products. You benefit from texting, posting, informing, selling, buying. It's a new day. It's your day. It's TWEE. We're going to stay on and ask some questions. I got a new wrap-up clip. I'll have Mr. Producer put it up, and July 2nd, we're giving away 100 TWEE. It's an exciting time. TWEE is going. TWEE is coming. It's wild, and I need you guys to really just kind of buckle up and look at the future and think, well, what can I do here? Maybe he's right. Spend $200 on a few TWEE. Download the app. Get a few other people to download the app. The app is going to give power to the currency and vice versa. So I need you to really look at that. Follow me on Twitter at TWEEUSA. Follow us at TWEE. CoinBenny is where you get, and the link is in the chat window. CoinBenny is where you get TWEE. If you need to get USDT, you're an American or Canadian, you want to buy USDT Tether. USDT is a token. Anything that's crypto is a token. You can buy USDT. Every token is equal to $1. That's why they call it US dollar tether. It's tethered to the dollar. Once you buy those tokens, you can buy any currency you want in the crypto world. USDT Tether is at CoinDirect, coindirect.com. I have a link for that in the window. Please go to TWEE. Find me at Dennis O'Brien on TWEE, and I can help you. We can chat. We can do stuff. We have resources to help you. The question that gets asked every day, can you buy TWEE inside of TWEE? No. TWEE is a security coin. You have to buy it out in the world of finance. Bitmart and CoinBenny are two places you can go, and there's a link up in the window. Another great question, can I move my stuff over to CoinBenny? Yes, you can move your Bitcoin, you can move your Litecoin, you can move ZEC, whatever you're trading in, they likely carry it. They're the 14th largest in the world. They have over 100 currencies. I recommend checking them out. Going down the road, we have a lot more to talk about. We're going to talk more about TIV next week. We're going to explain that a little bit. We're going to talk about how to use the phone function, because there's a phone function. If you live in another country and you're watching me now, we want you to leave WhatsApp and go to TWEE. We're not fully done yet. We're working really hard on it. If you download the app and call us and call people and help and let us know how it's going, it would be very, 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 very helpful. Look, it's your future. I can tell you, is TWEE for me? I say yes, but it's also for you. Good night. It's also for you.